hello, I hope you are doing well. So today we're gonna make another video, another hair video, another hair treatment. So bonjour la famille, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bon, je vous prends avec moi et nous allons faire une vidéo de cheveux naturels aujourd'hui. Donc voilà mes ingrédients. Donc on va faire l'aloe vera avec du romarin. What I'm doing today is oil. We are going to make aloe vera oil and rosemary. So that is my aloe vera. As you can see, this is the aloe vera. It's very big. So then we have rosemary. So this rosemary, I bought it in my local shop here. Look at it, very nice. I took two. That is the first, second one. So let me just tell you some benefit of aloe vera on our hair. So aloe vera strengthening the hair, reducing hair loss, controlling excess oil, moisturize the scalp and hair. Aloe vera is against itchy scalp, preventing UV damage. Aloe vera help to grow our hair. Aloe vera is very good for our hair. So that was some benefit of aloe vera for our hair. So now let's just go to rosemary. Rosemary is also very good for our hair. Rosemary stimulates growth. That means rosemary can help our hair to grow, improve scalp health, and potentially limiting premature gray. So rosemary is also good for premature gray, to fight against premature gray hair. So very good. Also good for the scalp, add shine and strengthen the hair, like I said. So by using these two ingredients, we just have to benefit. Our hair will benefit much ingredient, much for strength, for stimulation, for the scalp, for people who have itchy scalp, for dandruff. Really aloe vera and rosemary are very good. So there it is. So now I'm just gonna wash everything. You know, I have to cut aloe vera, I have to remove this part. Then I also have to cut this rosemary, wash everything, then come and show you the next step. So that is okay. Then see you soon. So that is aloe vera. I wash it, then after washing it, I pour it again in the water so that it can, all the toxin will go. So look at it. I will just leave it in this water like 10 to 15 minutes. So that is our rosemary leaves. So I just pour them in this paper, and I will just go and make it like this, so that the water will go. You know, we're gonna use oil, and I don't need any water on my oil. So I change the paper. So now I just have to make the same thing. So ça c'est notre romarin. Je suis juste en train d'enlever des excès d'eau sur les feuilles parce que je vais l'utiliser et je ne voudrais pas qu'il y ait de l'eau sur les feuilles pendant que je vais mettre dans de l'huile, quoi. Donc voilà, quoique c'est déjà sec. So I think the leaves are dry, they no water. again. Ah, smells so good. Rosemary, it smells so good. My gosh, smells so good. I don't know, it's not even something that it's an ingredient, but I'm not used to cook with rosemary. It's something that I don't even know when I cook with rosemary last time. As you can see, the leaves are dry. I want to be sure that everything is dry. If you have time, you can just go and wash them and leave it a bit under the sun, maybe like 10 minutes, and they will dry. Depend on the quantity of your rosemary. So what I'm doing now is just to remove the leaves like this. Take them off. Donc maintenant je vais enlever les feuilles. So as you can see, I finish taking the leaf off. Voilà, j'ai fini d'enlever les feuilles et ça c'est les autres. Those are the things that I don't need, so I will just go and throw them away. That is what I need. So, and for my aloe vera, I have to remove the water now. Also, everything is okay. So for this video, those are our two main ingredients. So okay, we have 3 because aloe vera, rosemary, and different kind of oil. So but now those are the first one. So look at my aloe vera, the way it's juicy. I love it. So that is my aloe vera. I finished chopping it, and here we have our rosemary. I'm just gonna blend everything now, and you see the next step. So that is the aloe vera. I grind it and I add it on my pot. So now I'm gonna blend rosemary. So now this is our rosemary. I tried to grind it. I just grind it a bit, but as you can see, I cannot grind it alone like that. I add a little bit of oil, but now what I'm gonna do is just add aloe vera, and the two we go and mix together. So look at this mixture. It's like smoothie, nice smoothie. Bon, voilà, j'ai fini d'écraser. Ça c'est mon mélange du romarin et de l'aloe vera. Très bien, c'est comme la sauce des épinards. Très joli. Voilà. Bon, maintenant on va ajouter des huiles. So now we're gonna add some oil. The first 2 oil I'm gonna add are my pure almond oil and my olive oil. Let me just tell you some benefit of olive oil on our hair. Olive oil is antioxidant. Olive oil has a lot of nutrient, condition, soften the hair, hydrate the hair, promote hair growth. Almond oil soften the hair, smooth the hair as well, provides moisture, stimulates the hair growth, strengthen the hair. So then the two are very good. I need 500 ml of my olive oil. So yet you can see we have 500. So Then I will need 100 of this almond oil. So good. Then as you can see, this is 100. So I still have some oil that I will add at the end. Just stay tuned and watch till end. I have to mix everything. So now I'm just gonna on the fire, and I'm not gonna cover it because I don't need any water, like damp water on my oil. So we're just gonna leave it this way. Then see you soon when everything is done. That is our oil. So ça c'est notre huile. Donc c'est déjà fait, c'est déjà prêt. So now I'm just gonna leave it so that it can cool down. I just have to leave it overnight. Then tomorrow I will come and strain it. Okay, then see you the next process. So family, now we are in the next day. That is our oil still in this pot. Look at this, the oil infused and smell amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is to transfer the oil in this jar, and I will leave it again like 1 week in this jar. Then I will go and then I will come and strain the oil. Okay, so let's just put it here in this jar. Don't be afraid of this jar. I just like the cup, how they say the head. I just like the hair of human. I don't know. It's just funny for me. So then cover it. That is our oil. Like I was saying, I will leave it in this jar in a cool place, dark place for 1 week. Then I will come and strain it and add the other oil that I have to add inside, and the oil will be ready to use. So wow, look nice. Okay, see you in 1 week time. Have a nice day. Bye. So family, that is the end of the video. I don't want this video to be long, so that is the first part of this video. The next part is coming. Please just stay tuned. Thank you for watching, for liking the video, and if you are not subscribed, just subscribe to help your sis. Like, share and comment. See you in the next part that is coming soon. Okay, bye.